Well, here we go. This is going to be a good one, I got a feeling. Tell you what, this Walmart tit has done a really good job. Did my vegetable out here. So I mean, I can cook here in the rain, no problem. Dry shoes, charger. Let's see. It's raining, it's thundering, and I'll bet this thing's charging. Nope, it's not. Alright, well, anyways. It's like a good time to make lunch. I got my protector back over here.